All right, thank you for joining. Today I wanted to go over MYRO USDT on the MEXC chart. Once again, very straightforward video, right? Simplicity is always key. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So as you can see, after the launch, MYRO has been holding its price very well, clearly shown that this meme coin is not, I can't even say 100% that it's not a rug pull, but it's highly unlikely that this will be a rug pull, right? So what I did was, like always, go right back to my fixed range volume profile tool. Now, this was a previous range which was traded before, and then we lost the range, right? So this was a deviation, we can call it, right here. And now we are back trading within this range, right? So since we are trading within this range, we can then start to focus on the lows and the highs, right? So on the high end of things, when it comes to MYRO, if we were to trade back up to the highs, you're looking at a potential 61, 62% increase in price to the previous highs. Now, what I want you to focus on with MYRO is that the best thing to do is pull the fixed range volume profile tool to see where the highest volume has been transacted, to see where the value area low sits and the value area high, because those are the three most important areas when it comes to the fixed range volume profile tool. Now, as you can see, after gaining acceptance into the value area low, or the volume profile, price has pushed to the point of control, because it pretty much acts as a magnet once you get within this area, right? That 70% range. The point of control always acts as a magnet, whether you break into it from the upside or from the downside. And as you can see, that's exactly what price did right here, right? So with that being said, now price is just doing what it always does, and it's trying to maintain balance. And since we are within this profile, on the low end, a lot of buyers noticed, like, okay, we have gained acceptance on the low end. Before, a lot of buyers stepped in here because they know that once we gained acceptance, the high end will be at around 35 cents. So with that being said, price pushed up to the point of control, and now it's seeking to push a little bit higher to the value area high, right? And like I said before, from the current prices, that is about a 30% increase from where we are at right now. So seeing that we almost failed to rotate to the high side, price came up, as you can see, went over the point of control, stayed above it for a while, tried to push higher, failed, right? So we failed, we got rejected, right? So it's a failure to rotate, push down, closed below, stayed below for a little bit, a few days, pretty much about a day, opened below, and are now pushing above one more time. So if the day can close back above, that would be a lot more bullish in my opinion. And we could even go like this so you can see it a little bit better. So that'll be pretty bullish in my opinion, and we can then expect for price to try and attempt to take these highs once again, which from where we are right now would be at around 15% away. And at the very least, after breaking past that, like I said, going to the value area high, which is about 30% away, right? So very bullish right now for MYRO. Doesn't look weak at all. Obviously, the best area to long would be at the lows, which comes in right around here, right? So right around 21 cents. That would be a very nice area to long. Could go ahead and pull some Fibonacci's if you would like, just to see if anything lines up there. You also have the golden pocket right in that area too as well, so that's nice to keep on the chart. But then as well, because we are, let me go ahead and actually put this on. Actually, I guess we could keep this on for now. I don't like it. Anyway, so since we are getting a bullish push after this little retracement, it seems a little bit unlikely, but you never know. Price action is very interesting. we can definitely get a push back down to the value area low before rotating back up to the upside. But yeah, this would be a very nice area to enter along. And once again, if we do manage to break above, right, we have a swing high or pivot high right above too as well, which kind of lines into a swing failure pattern. So if we break above, get some selling pressure, we show signs of weakness, break market structure, then the best area to then look for a short would be right here, right? So you want to sell at the highs, buy at the lows, right? Not financial advice, but that's just always the best thing to do. You don't want to FOMO into any trade. And since we are thinking about or talking about ranges, you can split this upper range. Let's go ahead and hide this into quarters, right? So you can split this into quarters just like this. Let's go to the settings, extend the lines right. And you can see from the high to the low, you typically want to at least be in a long position from the low end. This is the 50% mark, the low end. So right around, let's go ahead and just remove this. This area would be a great area for buys. And then on the high end, this area would be the best area for sells, right? I hope you could see that clearly. Go ahead and remove some of these off of here. But yeah, so this is the upper end range, high to low, split into quarters. The lower end will be the best area to enter along, as you can see. Buy, 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 buy. And the upper range is the area to basically sell, right? Or at least take profits. Never forget, it's always good to take profits. All right. Well, that's pretty much it for MYRO. Like I said, still looks very, very bullish in my opinion. I expect higher prices, and we just have to wait and see. It still does look more bullish than bearish at the moment. A lot of hype behind it. As always, as you can see, Solana, the Solana founder's dog, whatever. Yeah, interesting project. Anyway, I think it's going to go up a lot. Not financial advice, but it is a pretty healthy chart, right? As you can see, there's nothing but higher highs. So we'll see where the next push to the upside lands us. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Follow me on X. As always, I post a lot of updates. Watch my last two videos on Bonk and Cardano. Thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great day.